everyone, it's that treasure home and welcome back to the channel. So stay tuned. I'm going to spill some capsules up. And I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to use, how the process goes, and hopefully get it right. And since I don't do it all the time, sometimes I have to go back and watch the video to show me how to do it. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. Nancy with that treasure home. So today, I am making my turmeric ginger capsules. So I've been putting off doing this. I was like, oh, I'll just do a video about how I do this. So this is my capsule fill pot thing I got. I'm missing a few pieces. I don't remember what happened to them. But here is my turmeric, and I've got some ginger. This is not organic ginger, but I will be ordering some. And here are my capsules. So I need another bowl too, because I need to put the tops of these. Now the way they do it, they take the capsules apart and they put it in this little tray, and they shake the tray. I don't like doing it that way because for some reason, oh, I gotta take this off. There we go. Alright. Mine, you would have to push them all down, which I do anyway. I put my tops in another bowl so I don't lose any of them. And this process takes a while, the way I do it, because my capsules come not in separate pieces. And the one I'm using is a vegan. This is the ones I use. Because everything else is made with gelatin. And I'm trying to avoid that at this point in time. So I am going to keep filling this up until I get it all filled up. And I'll bring you back. Okay, I've got them all in there, and I just make sure that all this is even. Now it's supposed to have a white piece that goes around here so that whatever you're filling it in with, whether it's turmeric, cinnamon, whatever, spices, herbs, whatever, it doesn't go off the side. So I have to be careful in doing that. So I did look it up. A size 00 capsule holds up to 735 milligrams of powder. So, and that depends on how well you pack it. So I tend to pack mine pretty good. So this is the rest of my turmeric. So I'm just we're gonna measure this out. I should measure it. Oh, well, we'll do it this way. 1, 2, 3, so 4 tablespoons. My handy dandy chart over here. So it says let's find the conversion for tablespoons. Little handy dandy chart. So 1/4 of a cup is 4 tablespoons. So that's 1/4 of a cup there. 1/2 a cup is 8 tablespoons. 1/8 of a cup is 2 tablespoons. 1/4 of a cup is 4 tablespoons. 1/2 a cup is 8 tablespoons. 3/4 of a cup is 12 tablespoons, and 1 cup is 16 tablespoons. So I'll take a picture and put it in here in the video. And everything. So we got 1/4 of a cup, and you know, usually that should fill it, but you know what, we're going a little bit more. So that was 4, so we'll do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that will be there. And what I don't use, I can refill I will refill my little jar here. So it's not going to waste at all. So now that I doubled it, I'll put 4. So 1. I know this smells like ginger. 2. Let's give this a good shake. I'm going to be ordering me some ginger. But I want to go ahead and use this up. That's 3 and 4. I know they said black pepper is best to use. But like I said, right now, I don't know if the black pepper, from where we get it from and how it's processed, is what is causing issues also. So, and with that, Walmart and Sam's Club is the same thing. So, you know, I can try it, but I don't. I'll try it when I go to cook. Alright, so now we're going to put this on here, and what I do, I try to find something flat with a flat end. And I thought I got it out. So since I don't have my square thing, I'm going to use my spatula. And all you do, you take the back end, you just go across, fill it in. So you bring it up to the edge. There we go. So I need some more over here. Take it to these. And just bring it all to the edge. So these back here can get some. Fill these up. And the one thing about turmeric is, whether it's the powder or you get the from the store and you do it that way, or it's orange, it will dye everything orange. So clean up as soon as you possibly can. I watched some videos a long time ago, people making turmeric mask and everything, and It's like, watch how long you keep it on and their face was turning orange. It's like, oh goodness. So you have this nice little thing you put in and you press down. So it presses the powder down in there so you can fill it up more. So like you see, now we can do it again. And usually I can get a good 2 or 3 times that's pressed in. So take it to the edge. Fall in there. Because I make a turmeric chicken a lot, and then I've done turmeric ground turkey burger and stuff, so it's pretty good. Okay. So we'll press it again. Looks like we can do it one more time. Alrighty. And I think the white piece that goes along with this kit got accidentally put into storage, but that's alright. Just find another way to do things. Like I say, usually about 3 times. I'll make it 4 out of this one. I'll just kind of spread it out and we'll see what happens. Yeah, as soon as you can feel it kind of pressing, you know it's getting full. So actually 4, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it comes with a little scraper thing too, and I have no idea where that's at. That's my hair. Alright, let's see. Let's do this one more time. And I think I'm just going to leave it like that and just get the rest of this on here. There we go. Alright, so the next step is getting all these you want this blue plate next, and you put this on top, line that up, and these go down, I think. Maybe not. Alright, let me think. Yeah, because now these go up. Yeah, you'll put them up. Because then you'll use the next plate, the orange plate. So here you can, if you want to take them and put them all in like this and shake them around. Whoop! Not like that. We'll get that in just a moment. Play a little game. You know. And if they go upside down, you can just put them right side up. See, that's the only thing of doing it that way is alrighty. Because when you're taking anything, prescription or all natural, and you wonder if it's working or anything, just go a week or so without taking it. You'll find out real quick. Oh yeah, that's what's working. Let's get back to it. Okay, so you take the orange plate and you want these two grooves up. You just put that on top of those, and that fits like that. So then you can sit here and flip this over, put it on top, and you line up with the screws, and you push it down till you hear it all clicks together. So you go from one side to the other side, the middle. And there you go. You got your capsules. All ready to go. And then you can push them. You can flip them over. And I put mine in a bowl until I get a container to put them in. And I save my empty vitamin bottles and put these in there and just put in there and label what I have in there. Now for me, I take 2 a day, and I usually will take it with food and everything. And there you go. There are your capsules. So, a process, but something you've done yourself that you know what's in it and everything, and I'll give y'all an update of how it does. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.